In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a group call on Microsoft Teams for Windows, whether it's for work or a quick catch up with friends. Knowing how to set up a group call can keep everyone in the loop seamlessly. Let's dive in and explore how you can master this skill in just a few steps. First things first, you'll need to open Microsoft Teams. Make sure you have the application installed and you're logged in with your provided credentials. Now, depending on your organization settings, you might see different options, but don't worry, we'll be focusing on the basics to get you started. Once you have the app open, take a look at the left-hand side of your screen. Here you'll find the chat menu. Go ahead and click on that to proceed to the next step. In the chat menu, we are going to set up your group call. At the top of this interface, you'll notice a field labeled To. This is where you type the names or usernames of all the people you want to include in your group call. If you regularly communicate with them on Teams, they might appear automatically, or you can select their names directly from your contact list for a quicker setup. Once you've added all your preferred participants in that To field, it's time to kickstart the conversation. You have two options here. You can initiate a video call if you need face-to-face interaction, or an audio call if video isn't necessary. Simply click on your preferred type of call, and Microsoft Teams will begin ringing the individuals you've selected, bringing everyone together in your group call. Now that your group call is in full swing, managing participants becomes essential to ensure a smooth experience. Below your call window, you'll see several call controls, one of which is the people icon. Clicking on this icon will open a panel where you can see all current participants and make any necessary adjustments. Keep this in mind if anyone accidentally drops off the call or if you need to make quick changes. Sometimes, the best laid plans require changes, like adding more people on the fly to your group call. Luckily, Teams makes this easy. While you're on the call, just go back to the people icon and type the name of the additional participant you wish to include. You can also select from the contact list, just as you did previously. As soon as you add someone new, they will be prompted to join the ongoing call. And there you have it. With these steps, you're fully equipped to set up and manage a group call on Microsoft Teams. Whether it's for a productive team meeting or catching up with your peers, group calls can be done effortlessly. Keep practicing and you'll be navigating Teams like a pro. Thanks for watching and happy calling!